video, I'm going to teach you how to create dynamic pages in Wix using the Content Manager. By the end, you'll be able to build one page design that automatically displays different content for every item in your collection. Perfect for product catalogs, portfolios, blog style entries, or service listings. Start by opening your Wix editor. Log in, head to My Sites, and select Edit Site on the website you want to work on. Make sure you're in the correct project so your changes appear where you expect. Next, set up a collection in the Content Manager. Open Content Manager and choose Create Collection. Give it a clear name and add the fields you need, like title, images, description, and price. Be intentional with your field types. Use text for titles, rich text if you want formatting and descriptions, numbers for prices, and image fields for visuals. Add a few sample items now. Testing is smoother when you have real content. Also, review collection permissions to control who can view or edit the data. Now add a dynamic page. Go to Menus and Pages, click Add Page, then choose Dynamic Page, and link it to the collection you just created. Wix can create an item page that displays one record at a time, and you can set the URL pattern based on a field like the title. A clean, human-readable URL helps with SEO and user trust. Before we design, a quick note. If you need access to Wix or want to follow along from scratch, there's a link to the website at the top of the description. Use that to get to the editor quickly. Design your dynamic page layout by adding text, images, buttons, and any other elements you need. Use Connect to Data to bind each element to the right field in your collection. For example, connect a heading to the title field, an image element to the images field, and a paragraph to the description field. Keep your layout consistent and readable. Set spacing, font sizes, and alignment so every item looks great, even when fields have different lengths of content. Preview your site to test. Cycle through the items to confirm that each one displays correctly, that images load, and that any buttons link to the right dynamic URLs. If something looks off, double-check your connections and field types. Enhance the experience with design tweaks and filters. Add sorting, filtering, or a search bar so visitors can quickly find what they need. This is especially helpful if you're showing a long list of items. When everything looks solid, preview once more on desktop and mobile, then click Publish to make your dynamic pages live. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more step-by-step Wix tutorials.